common question when installing lighting systems is, where does the driver go? Not having the answer to this question early on in the process can result in many extra hours of labor and frustration during the installation process. We saw this as an opportunity to innovate, and as a result, the VodeNODE was born. The neatly organized driver enclosure is a factory pre-assembled electrical box with all the drivers ready to go, exactly organized as the electrician needs them. VodeNODE is specifically designed to, above all, save labor costs, easily integrate into architecture, and provide a convenient way to maintain product through the lifetime of the lighting system. VodeNODE comes in small, medium, large, and custom sizes, provides up to 24 outputs and 600 watts of power. It's compatible with any dimming protocol, DMX, Dolly, 0 to 10, Lutron, PoE, and others. Because of VODE's superior LED circuit design, VODE fixtures can be located up to 100 feet away from the VodeNODE. What we have here is the small VodeNODE with up to 8 circuits per node. Medium is 16 circuits, and large is up to 24 circuits depending on your power requirements. We have knockouts on all 4 sides. Here for the low voltage with easy quick connect and VODE supplied wire harness. Wire harnesses come in 10-foot and 25-foot lengths, can be easily coupled together for remote fixtures up to 100 feet away from the driver housing. The VodeNODE delivers simple installation, custom power configuration, and ease of maintenance, and can be mounted recessed or surface mount to just about any ceiling or wall condition. So we've asked the question, where does the driver go? Well, I think the answer is obvious, right here in VodeNODE, and the result is happy customers. We look forward to you reaping the benefits of VodeNODE and being your power management partner. Thank you.